Singaporeans have been told there is no COVID-19 test kit approved for home use. The government says testing can only be done by clinical laboratories or medical professionals. Authorities have taken down more than 1,700 product listings, and 1,600 warning letters have been sent to sellers. They are clamping down on health products falsely claiming to prevent, treat, or diagnose COVID-19. Fraudulent claims for test kits, including getting results in minutes or with 95% accuracy. These so-called test kits cost between $10 and $290 each. And there have also been false claims made about health supplements, herbs, traditional medicines, and hand sanitizers.